Watch the full video please.
Sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Don't tell me he about to try to get waves. It's possible, let's see. Alright, what you hear? Step 2. Apply shampoo. Y'all think he gonna get that jump? I'm not sure, man. He might. They might look super wide though. Or worst case possible, they're just gonna be super laid. Just straight laid. Nah, man, where your do-rag at, yo? I mean, I guess that'll work. Let's see. That ain't gonna work. You know what? Let me just stop talking and see what's up. Like, air drawing. Unshirt. Yeah, they definitely in there. That's what's up. I had zero doubt about it, man. I knew he was gonna get it. Hey, you.
Alright, this is curls to wave in 60 seconds. So step 1 is wet your hair.
By the way, his hair moving. Definitely looks like a medium texture wave because it's like moving freely, and it doesn't look like it's nappy or anything. So definitely a medium texture waver or medium texture hair. So all you need to do is try to lay it down as much as possible to get the curls to lay down. And it looks like he's doing a pretty good job. Matter of fact, I think he already had waves. His hair is already trained. That's why he lay down so easily. He trying to fake us out. That was a good fake though, because I didn't think you had waves to begin with. I mean, all media. If you got curly hair, you already got waves. You just need to lay it down. But let me see how his turn out. You better not say like for part 2, because if you do, I'm gonna break my phone. Cause I hate when they do that nonsense. 6 hours later, he with his 6 hours. There you go. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. That's how you do it. Alright, first thing I want to say is that waves are just laid down curls. So if you got any type of curls in your hair and you lay it down, it will turn to waves. Okay? No matter if you don't brush for a whole year, as long as you got curls, it could be waves. Now the way you can do that is with this washing style right here. It's called a washing style. This is a way that us wavers wash our hair without losing our waves. Okay? Basically what we do is we just brush the shampoo in instead of, you know, scrambling it and everything and then rinsing it out. If you do it that way, if you're a waver, then your waves are gonna disappear. Well, it's not gonna disappear, but it's gonna look crazy. So we do it this way because it keeps our waves intact. And if you have any types of curls and you try this method, your waves will come in. It don't matter if you brush or not. Simple. Y'all love talking about people's hairlines. I need to stop coming crazy. Doing a washing style. Great lathering. He about to add some oil. Reason why he adding oil is because the shampoo dries up your scalp. So when you add the oil, it adds the nutrients back. Basically kind of like deep conditioning your hair, but with oils and shampoo. But if you do that, add oils with the shampoo and then deep condition after, bro, your scalp gonna be healthy if you keep doing that jump. Brushing with your pattern, that's gonna. I know that outcome gonna look dope, man. That outcome gonna be crazy, man. The results gonna be crazy. Now you gotta rinse it out with the do-rag on. With the do-rag on. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, like I said in my last video, waves are just laid down curls. Alright, depending on what texture hair you have, medium or coarse, it's gonna let you know how your wave is gonna look when it's laid down. Alright, if you have like a medium, really good looking medium hair, your wave is gonna look wide and nice texture when it's laid down. But if you got a coarse hair, like on the nappy side, your wave is gonna look super tiny and, you know, not as shiny as a medium will look. That looks nice right there. Hey, that's my boy, Devel de la Paris. Devel de la Paris. How you say Paris? speaking French, y'all. Doing a washing style. Oh, that just looks so good, bro. Honestly, bro, when you do washing styles, bro, that just look mad good, bro. When it's like, when it's lathering, the lather is all I look for when I'm doing a washing style, bro. And that lather right there look dope. Like, the lather's everything in the washing style, man. And he got the 540 with the swirl, bro. Dude. If y'all know who Devel Perry is, man, y'all sleep. Y'all go follow my boy, man. His TikTok should be in the title, whatever, description section, I think. Yo, that's how your washing style should turn out, man. That's how it should turn out. Like that. No moisturizer, no nothing.
Alright, this is curls.
So you're gonna try to get waves with that.
So step 1 is wet your hair.
Ooh, that's gonna look curly. I say it's gonna work. It's probably gonna work. Look like a medium texture hair.
Alright, step 2 is
get shampoo
and just
brush it in.
Your hair.
Well, not brush it in, yeah, but.
Alright, step 3, get a brush.
Yeah.
And just
Matter of
brush
fact,
it down.
I think that dude already had waves, man. They be trying to trick us.
Alright, now just keep brushing.
Cause I see
for
the pattern in there.
A few minutes, and then you'll be. Alright, so after you've been brushing for like 10 minutes or so, just grab you one of these.
Let me see how that junk turn out.
Put it on, you know. Alright, after you got this on, just wash the shampoo out of your hair with it on. Alright, now I'm gonna wait a few hours and come back with the results.
Oh, alright, that junk in there. In there. 31 weeks of wolfing. Oh, honestly, man, y'all don't really need to wolf for 31 weeks, bro. If you wolf for 31 weeks, after 10 weeks, you ain't really doing nothing. You just wasting your time. Or you could be just doing it for entertainment. Alright? So if you begin a waiver and you try to wolf for 20 weeks, nah, man, that ain't gonna help. Okay? But this does look satisfying, though. I ain't even gonna lie. And you add a little bit of oil to your junk so you won't have dry scalp. Put some products in, you feel me? Brush it in. Plastic bag.